has been some concern around the use of NAD boosters when it comes to the potential that it might stimulate cancer growth. And obviously that's something that we don't want to be dismissive of. It does you no good to be boosting your NADs and extending your lifespan if you're just giving yourself cancer. What's the latest research on that, and how concerned should people be?
Well, so most of these studies, actually there's only 2 main studies, have been done in mice. So here's what they are. There was one, again, out of Washington University by a different group that found that knocking down the levels of NAD in brain tumors slowed the growth of the tumor. And unfortunately, the news story ended up being, oh, NAD causes cancer, which is not the same, right? That's the complete opposite. So that study, I wouldn't put a lot of stock into. But there is one other study that came out in 2019 by Nacarelli, and they found that NAMPT, this NAD boosting gene, it increases the number of senescent cells and makes them more inflammatory, giving out these SASP proteins, as they call the senescence-associated secretory phenotype is the word. But also there were mice that were predisposed to pancreatic cancer, and when given NMN, they developed more precancerous and cancerous growths when they consumed this NMN. Exactly how it works, we're not sure, but it might be because it was downregulating a tumor suppressor gene called P53.
And this was a subgroup of mice that were already predisposed. They had a gene that made them more likely to get cancer.
Right. But remember, we fed NMN to mice, but normal mice, not predisposed. And if anything, they live longer and are healthier. So it's a question whether it's this predisposition that's the difference.
Something to watch for and to think about and to work into anyone's calculations if they're going to be considering an NAD booster in any case.
For sure. And another reason to consult your physician.